welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today, as y'all can see by the title, we are going to be doing some candy cane nails, and I'm actually really excited to do these nails. So to start off, I'm just prepping, getting everything out. And now I'm going to go in and size my tips. Y'all, I was trying to figure out what tips I wanted to do, and this was like the next best thing because it was closest to the size that I was looking for. So I chose these. And then what I had to do with the thumbnails, because they were too rounded, I had to kind of file them out to match my thumbnail to an extent, even though I'm not even finna put these on yet. So I tried to clip these with the nail clippers, the straight edge. It did not work. So I ended up going in with like the other clipper, just like I forgot what that's called, and clip them. And then I'm going in with this e-file, and I'm just gonna file the edge of this, and this is just to help the acrylic lay better when I get ready to put that on in here in just a second. All of the nails are going to have a base of a white, and I did decide to use my Mia Secrets nail acrylic my knee, but I decided to use my Mia Secrets acrylic today, and that wasn't that smart coming from Young Nails, because with the Mia Secrets you got to do a little bit more work. It was a little bit more work. So my first two nails, they didn't really, that was more on the lumpier side, because with the Mia Secrets, that one's better for just doing one coat. I learned that, but it did help me realize that for the different kind of acrylics that you use, you got to understand how to use them better. Eventually, I was doing beads, like I was doing like 2 to 3 beads, and then I went down to one bead because Mia Secrets, you can just drag it. It literally drags. So as you see, I'm doing here, this is me just doing one and realizing this is exactly what I wanted. I just wanted a thin layer of the white because the white was already pigmented to begin with, and it was just a trial and error kind of thing, because I haven't used Mia Secrets in so long. I've been using Young Nails, and I love Young Nails. Like, Young Nails, if you watching this, send me something. No, I'm just playing. But but no, so I'm just going to finish out the white on all of these using my alpha brush, and just kind of, like I'm painting, and I'm just gonna finish that out. Now I'm going to go ahead and file everything down. Remember I said my first two, which was the thumb and the pointer I started with, they were a bit on the rougher side. Ooh, so I had a little bit more filing to do on those, but it still turned out really cute. As you see, I did get it down. It took a second, but I did it. And then I had to go back and say, hold on, I forgot something. And yeah, I forgot to put the layer of the clear on, so that's what I doing now. So now we're going in with the nail art. I'm using this Beetles nail gel polish kit, and it has some pretty colors in it, and it just so happens to have the pink that I was looking for the candy cane. So this pink is so pretty. It's like a coral pink, and it was exactly the pink I was looking for. And then I showed this glitter off too, because I was debating on using it because of the inspiration that I saw. It used glitter pink, but I wasn't in the mood for glitter. So now I am starting the first design, which is the candy cane, and I'm going to show you guys here shortly what I was going off of. And here it is, where I have the thumb and the ring finger the same. I have the middle finger as a gift nail. The pinky is all white, and then the pointer finger has like a little star going on. Okay, back to here. So once I'm like doing the candy cane, you got to be really careful with this, because I actually made like this line that I'm doing right here, I had to erase it or like remove it because it was too close. So if you know, like if you ever see a candy cane, the white space in the middle is like bigger than like the red, just to kind of depend on what kind of candy cane you're doing. But that's what I was going more for. So once I finished that, I cured it, and now I'm on to this nail right here, which is the actual inspiration of this set. This is the gift nail. The gift nail, I saw someone do it, and it was so cute. And I said, I have to try to do that. But the way they did it was different from mine. So I was really happy to find a creator here on YouTube. I don't even know who it was. If I, shout out to whoever you were, I'm sorry. They did the bow and like the gift and everything with the same color because that's what I was trying to do. And I was very thankful that I found that. And mind you guys, this part takes a lot of patience, okay? So here I was trying to do the leg, but it looked like a bug's leg, so I had just erased it and said I'm just gonna stick with the regular degular schmegular bow look, okay? And here I'm on to the snowflake, and this was actually my first time doing the snowflake. I saw a creator, Nails by Vic, I believe she did it, and I was like, hold on, I feel like I could do that. She made that look easy, and I did. This was our first time, and I said, let's add another one. It looks naked. So I did, but I didn't really like it. So I ended up taking it off and just leaving just the one. Just going back in to get all the other nails on the other hand to match the other hand. So to get all the left ones to match the right hand. And I'm just going in with the candy cane, finishing up the bow look. I cured the bow in between the lines. So I did the lines, I cured it, and then I went in and did the bow, or the gift wrap nail, I should say. And I'm just finishing up the nail art on all of these nails. I don't know about y'all, but so far so good to me. And it is now time to finish off those candy canes, and that is going in with, again, this Beatles gel polish, and that's going in with the white to finish off the candy canes. I'm just going in with the white in the middle of the pinks just to, finish the candy cane. I was thinking of doing like the red candy cane, but I saw someone do pink. Oh my gosh. All y'all have to do is search a peppermint nails, or I think it's peppermint nails, and I think you'll see what I'm talking about. It was all pink, and it was literally, they did peppermint on there, a candy cane on there, the Christmas bow, and it was so cute. And that's actually where my inspiration came from. If I could find that short, I'ma definitely put it in the description box for y'all. Okay, I got you. Now I'm just going to finish this up right here, and that's basically it. So I will see y'all in just a moment for the final look. it is officially time for the top coat, and I'm just going in with this Young Nails gel polish top coat. I really wish I had a matte top coat. I feel like that would have really brought this look way more together, but honestly I don't. This was the only top coat that I had, you know, beside regular nail polish top coat, and I was honestly thinking about doing that because the matte would have made it look better, but also, in my opinion, but also it still turned out really good. I just think the gloss of the top coat kind of deteriorated some of the nail art. There was also in the video, I think it was from Nails by Nick, she was saying that you're supposed to do the top coat first and then go in with the nail art, and then you do a top coat again. Let me know if y'all are like any nail experts or anything. It's like, let me know how true that is, or like when do you put the nail art on or anything like that, because I normally just kind of follow it off with a layer of acrylic and then I'll do the nail art and then the top coat like I did in the video. And this is how they turned out, you guys. They turned out so freaking pretty. This is a super beginner friendly set. As y'all see, I did end up putting a jewel on the bow just to kind of give it that complete look. I was talking to my mom about it and she was like I should have, you know, added like red or green, incorporated that into here. But to be fair, these were supposed to be completely all white nails, but I say let's make a video and let's, you know, try to be creative with it. But this is super beginner friendly. There is not much to it but a few gel polishes and then just a few nail art brushes and consistency and a lot of patience, you guys. But I feel like these turned out so cute. I really liked how the pinky is just white. It's just white, and then you have the candy cane look going on. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Drop a candy cane emoji, or you know what I'm saying, something that represent the nails, a pink heart or something. But I really thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure if you haven't already to hit that subscribe button on the screen or down below, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Who do you think will rock this nail set? I'm also planning on putting these on later. I don't put them on here because I got some tricks up my sleeve, but I may post it in the community tab. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and be on the lookout for that, because I might do that. Before I go, I want to leave y'all with this. Remember that the most important beauty is the one that is on the inside, not the one that is on the outside. And just remember to always put God first in everything that you do. Yahshua, Yahweh, the Hebrew name, whatever you want to call him. And I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. I'm gonna let you go. Remember to stay unique in Christ. Deuces.